Use a Venn diagram to find the greatest common factor of the numbers 48 and 120. All right, so in order to use the Venn diagram, we need to find the prime factorization of both 48 and 120. I know that 2 will go into 48 24 times, 2 will go into 24 12 times, 2 will go into 12 6 times, and then 2 into 6 3 times. Do the same thing for 120. 2 goes into 120 60 times, 2 goes into 60 30 times, 2 goes into 30 15 times, and 3 goes into 15 5 times. Didn't leave us a lot of room for a Venn diagram, but let's try to draw one right here. And now let's find out where the factors are in common. So we have a 2 here and a 2 here. So let's put that in the middle, shared by both the 48 circle and the 120 circle. We have a 2 here and a 2 here. That goes in the middle. We have a 2 here and a 2 here. That goes in the middle. We don't have another common 2 over there, so we're going to put it here. We do have a common 3 though. That goes in the middle. Finally, we're left with a 5, which is not in common with anything over there. So one of the things I was trying to get everybody to remember is that the GCF, greatest common factor, greatest common factor is in the middle. So that's the product of these four numbers this time. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 3 is 24. So the GCF is 24. If we were doing the LCM, it's the product of all the numbers in the Venn diagram. So the 24 we could take times 2 and get 48 times 5, and we would get 240, which would be the least common multiple. All that being said, what we're worried about this time is what's the common between the two numbers. So we find the product of those numbers and we get 24.